In chemistry, nomenclature is looked upon as an important tool to know about structure of compounds. There are various nomenclature systems for describing stereoisomers. In last few videos, we have seen few of them like DL nomenclature system, erythrothrio and RS nomenclature system. Today, we will learn one more important system, and that is EZ nomenclature. You know that geometrical isomers are compounds which differ in spatial arrangement of groups around carbon-carbon double bond. For describing such stereoisomers, we use system cis-trans. You are very familiar with using this system. When two similar groups are on same side of double bond, we call it as cis isomer, and when two similar groups are on opposite side of double bond, we call it as trans isomer. This system works well with all di-substituted and few tri-substituted compound. However, we cannot use this system for tetra-substituted compounds containing double bond. So, a more robust system has been developed which is known as EZ nomenclature system.
EZ nomenclature is a IUPAC preferred method of describing absolute stereochemistry of double bonds. It can be used to any type of compound, that is di-substituted, tri-substituted or tetra-substituted compounds. Of course, it is little more complex system where we need to assign priorities of groups. So let's check how to assign EZ notations. For assigning EZ notation, first we have to locate double bonded carbons. You may write structure in any way. Then we assign priorities to groups attached to each double bonded carbon. So here you can see A and B are the groups attached to one doubly bonded carbon, and C and D are the groups attached to other doubly bonded carbon, and we have to decide between the priorities of these groups. Priorities are assigned on the basis of CIP rules. CIP, that is Kahn-Ingold-Prelog rules, are set of rules which helps us to decide priorities of groups. Now, what we'll do is, we will learn these rules simultaneously while assigning EZ notations. Let's check few examples. Suppose you want to assign EZ notation to this compound. We will apply first CIP rule, also called as sequence rule, which states that the atom of highest atomic number gets first priority. So, first concentrate on left side of molecule. Two groups attached to doubly bonded carbons are chlorine and hydrogen. We will write their atomic numbers. So, group with highest atomic number in this case is chlorine, and it will get priority over hydrogen. So, we will write it as 1 and 2. Now, concentrate on the right side of molecule. Two groups attached to doubly bonded carbon are bromine and fluorine. We will write their atomic numbers. So, group with highest atomic number in this case is bromine, and it will get priority over fluorine. So, let's combine both sides. Now, imagine a horizontal plane passing through both double bonded carbon atoms. For assigning EZ notation, you have to remember two statements. If same priority groups are on same side of double bond, isomer is Z. If same priority groups are on opposite side of double bond, isomer is E. In this case, same priority groups are on one side of a double bond, so this isomer is Z isomer. Let's solve another example. We'll assign EZ notation to this molecule. For left side double bonded carbon, groups attached are chlorine and hydrogen. So chlorine with higher atomic number will get priority over hydrogen. For right side doubly bonded carbon, groups attached are methyl and chlorine. Remember, when group of atoms are linked to doubly bonded carbon, we consider atomic number of atom directly attached to doubly bonded carbon. So, for methyl group, we will write atomic number of carbon, that is 6. Thus, between methyl group and chlorine, priority will go to chlorine. Now let's combine both sides. Imagine a horizontal plane and check whether same priority groups are on same side or opposite side. In this case, same priority groups are on opposite side of double bond, so the isomer is E isomer. In next video, we'll solve 3 more examples of EZ notations that will cover next 3 CIP rules.